Welcome to English Stories with Dr. K.
New Year's Resolution. On the first morning of the new year, as the sun gently spilled its golden hues over the sleepy town of Evergreen, Gloria sat by her window, writing down her New Year's resolution in her journal. It was a simple vow. This year, I will learn to play the piano. Gloria's days were consumed by her demanding job as a software developer. Nevertheless, she managed to rent a small piano and squeezed it into her modest apartment. Her fingers fumbled across the piano keys. With each passing day, they began to dance more confidently, weaving simple tunes into the quiet evenings. As January melted into February, Gloria's determination never wavered. She spent every evening practicing. However, as the weeks turned into months, unexpected challenges began to surface. Her job demanded increasingly more of her time. Over time, the melody of her piano playing was gradually replaced by the dull drone of her laptop. By the time summer arrived, the piano stood silently in a corner of her room, gathering dust, a reminder of a dream gradually fading away. One quiet evening in late August, as Gloria sat gazing at the untouched piano, a sense of longing washed over her. She realized that resolutions are not just about the end goal, but also about the journey and the challenges that come with it.
Vocabulary practice. Resolution. A decision to do or not do something. My resolution is to exercise more this year. Fumbled. To handle something in a clumsy, awkward way. He fumbled with his keys while trying to open the door. Determination. The quality of continuing to try despite difficulties. She showed determination by practicing every day. True or false? Gloria's resolution was to learn to play the violin. False. She practiced playing the piano every evening in the beginning. True. Gloria gave up on her resolution because she lost interest. False. At the end of the story, Gloria realized that resolutions are about the journey, not just the goal. True. Fill in the blanks. listening comprehension questions. What was Gloria's New Year's resolution? Gloria's New Year's resolution was to learn to play the piano. What was Gloria's job? She worked as a software developer. How did she practice playing the piano in the beginning? She rented a small piano and practiced every evening. What challenges did Gloria face as she tried to keep up with her resolution? Her job became more demanding, and she had less time to play the piano. What realization did Gloria have at the end of the story? She realized that resolutions are not just about reaching the goal, but also about the journey and the challenges along the way. Great job completing this lesson. Your dedication is truly inspiring, and each step forward brings you closer to achieving your goals of learning English. Keep up the fantastic work.
Please subscribe, like, and share.